Hi guys, I'm Yoga, grade 7 from Sampurna Academy. I'm 13 years old. This video made for STEAM. What is STEAM? Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Mathematics. My STEAM project is vacuum cleaner using a bottle. I hope you learned something from this video. Please enjoy the video. Bye bye. I know this idea from Google and YouTube. My goal is make people creative to make something useful from scraps. So yeah, this is the result. The vacuum cleaner is like this. The battery is 9 volt. We need 4. If not, it cannot do perfectly. To use it, just press switch button to turn on it, and then enjoy the vacuum cleaner. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then you can check my channel under this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Mr. Steven is idea maker, and then this is Mr. Jeffrey is my mentor, and then this is my cameraman is Nuno.